Bot and lot. Bot. Bot is a shortened form of robot, which refers to a machine that can be programmed to carry out a variety of tasks automatically. Bots are often used in technology to perform repetitive tasks quickly and efficiently. Examples: the customer service bot on the website helped me track my order. The cleaning bot automatically vacuums the floors every morning. Lot. Lot has multiple meanings, but the closest one to bot is a large quantity or number of something. It can also refer to a specific piece of land or an area designated for a particular purpose. Examples: there are a lot of books on the shelf. She has a lot of experience in the field of marketing. Differences: bot is a specific term related to technology and automation, while lot refers to quantity or a specific area. Bot is a modern term associated with machines, whereas lot has a broader usage in different contexts. Both words have different origins and meanings but can be easily distinguished based on their usage in sentences. In summary, bot is more specific to technology and automation, while lot is a general term used to describe quantity or a designated area. Understanding the context in which these words are used can help differentiate between them easily.